You heard Rahul Gandhi there. Now, Rahul Gandhi continues to be, in fact, some big information coming in with regards to Rajasthan's political turn of events. Rahul Gandhi now continues to be soft on Sachin Pilot. Congress skips the mention of Sachin Pilot in the briefing. While two leaders of his camp were suspended for primary membership of the party, Rahul Gandhi called up a leader present in the press conference just before it was going to start and said that the statement should be carefully worded and to avoid any mention of Sachin Pilot in a negative way. Here, let's cut across to Anand Patel joining us. Anand, we heard what Rahul Gandhi spoke. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has continued to be soft on Sachin Pilot. He's taking a very soft stance on Sachin Pilot, even though Gehlot is showing no respite. The Congress High Command appears is trying to be soft on Sachin. Congress very deliberately not mentioning Sachin Pilot in its briefing. Not at all. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, we hear, has given out a strict instruction also to be very careful with the statements. Every statement must be carefully worded and to avoid any mention of Sachin Pilot in a negative way as well. Rahul, in a way, trying his last-ditch effort, maybe in a way, to try and invite Sachin Pilot back into the fold.
Well, this has been reiterated by the Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala on a number of occasions. Whenever he addresses press conference, he always, never forgets to mention that doors are open for all the rebels, including Sachin Pilot, for the kind of relationship he enjoys with the Gandhi family. But nevertheless, here this action has come in the wake of the audio leaks. The audio tapes clearly mention, as alleged by the Congress party, that it features Bhavarlal Sharma and Vishwendra Pratap Singh. These are the two leaders, two former ministers who were sacked. They are the ones who feature in the audio tapes. So far, there is no audio tape of Sachin Pilot, and perhaps that is the reason why the Congress party has not acted against Sachin Pilot so far. And there is no mention of Sachin Pilot in this tape gate, which has been exposed by the Congress party in the presser earlier in the morning. So clearly, yes, the High Command still believes that Sachin Pilot has the capability to come back to the party fold, and his grievances can be addressed. The Congress High Command clearly believes, Navila, that the message should not go out that Sachin Pilot has been victimized in the Congress party, and that the youth is disenchanted with the Congress party. So these are the clear messages which the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi want to send out, and that is why so far the Congress party has been soft on Sachin Pilot, although Gehlot has been going all out against him.
Absolutely. Anand, do stay with us. Here we're looking at Congress trying hard to keep a soft stance on Sachin Pilot, just to see if even last minute there could be a turn of tables.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.